In this video, I want to show you how to design gift box. Okay, we have different kinds of gift box in terms of sizes. So we have the small size, and we have the medium size, we have the big size, and the extra large size. So in this video, I'm going to be working with the medium size. Okay, so now if you come to my screen here, okay, I was able to craft this out. This is beautiful. Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through how to design this. Okay, this is a medium-sized gift bag. So I'm going to walk you through how to measure the die lines and the rest of the things, the measurement you can actually use. Okay, let's get started. All right, so I'm going to open a blank page here. So what am I going to do? I'm going to open a blank page. So from here now, the first thing you are going to do here, for you to draw your box. Okay, I'm going to work with these sizes. This is the actual size I'm going to use. So I'm going to use 4.5 inches, 4.5 inches, and 3 inches for the height. Okay, so here, come to this unit of measurement and change it to inches. Mine is already in inches. So after that, so for this, I'm going to work with 4 inches. And then I'll also work with 4 inches. Okay. So this is the actual size for the 4 inches. Okay, here now, the next thing you are going to do for the height, as you've seen here, the height is 3 inches. So, okay, I was supposed to work with 4.5. So let's use 4.5 instead. 4.5. All right. Then here, you are going to draw another box. You're going to draw another box, or you can actually duplicate this. You can actually duplicate that, but this time around you are going to use 3 inches. Okay, so what do you do here? You adjust it. Good. So here I'm going to go with black. Here I'm going to go with yellow. All right, so I'm going to remove my outline. Select the tool, remove the outline. Just click here, this area, and remove the outline for both of them. So we are here now. So I'm going to simply duplicate this down. So I duplicate that down. You zoom in to make sure that it aligns very well. All right, then do the same thing to this side. Duplicate this to this side. This time around, you are going to turn it. Come here, put here 90 degrees. Here, put here 90 degrees. I'm using CorelDRAW for this design. If you are using any other design tool, it can still work perfectly. You can follow the same process and it will work perfectly well for any design tool you are using. And if you want me to show you how to design this using Canva, let me know in the comment section. Just type Canva in the comment section and then I will show you how to design this with Canva. Okay, repeat the same process. Duplicate this down here. All right, zoom it out, ensure it aligns very well. Okay, now the next thing you are going to do here is for you to bring in the logo for this design. Okay, I'm working with MTN logo. So you can download this logo from Pinterest. I simply drag down my logo to my design here. Okay, I'll adjust it. All right, click this and the yellow part of it, press C and E, letter C and E, so that it can centralize that. Then I'm going to duplicate this down here. This time around, I'm going to reduce the size of the logo. Then I'm going to work with this size of the logo for all of them. So what next? I'm going to also duplicate this down here. All right. Okay. And then I'm going to do the same thing down here. Okay. I'm going to do the same thing down here. Okay. But this time around, what you are going to do with this logo is that you are going to turn this, just flip it down. Okay. All right. You flip that down and then flip this, turn this 90 degrees. All right, great. Turn this 90 degrees. Great. Then this one is going to flip down. All right. So we are almost done with the bigger parts of the stuff. What next are you going to do for this part? Take note of what I'm going to show you. Take note of what I'm going to show you. This part now is where you are going to fold in. So how do you achieve that? How do you achieve that? Simply drag this up. Okay, you can use a color like this. All right, now press Ctrl Q on the keyboard to convert it to curve. Press Ctrl Q to convert that stuff to curve, and then insert a node here. See this area, double click there. You see this, double click there to cut it out. Double click here to insert a node, and double click here to cut it out. Now we are going to duplicate this for this. All right, then we flip it, come here, come to the top property bar of your window and flip it up, and then make sure that it aligns very well. Okay. All right, so we are going to use the same for all of them. So I'm going to duplicate this down here, then I'm going to turn it 90 degrees. Turning this 90 degrees, bring it down here, then I'll flip it, come here and flip it. Okay, I'll make sure that I'll highlight it to make sure that it aligns very well. All right, then do the same thing to this side. Drag it down here. Okay, and then flip it, make sure it aligns. All right, so this is basically for this part, this main body. Okay, the main body of this gift box. So what about the cover? So I'm going to show you how to design a cover, so stay with me. All right, so you don't need to start from scratch to design a cover. Simply duplicate this. All right, duplicate that, and then this time around we don't need this logo, we don't need this, we don't need this, we don't need this. Okay, the only thing you are going to do here, instead of 3 inches, we are going to reduce this section, this section, this section to 1 inches each. So the only thing you are going to do here, just group this, and then group this, select the two of them, group them together, group this, and then group this. So what are you going to do? Just select this, put 1 inches instead of 3 inches. All right, drag it down. Do the same thing here, put 1 inches here. All right, drag it down. All right, put 1 inches here, drag it down. Do the same thing here, put 1 inches here, 1. All right, drag it down. All right, the idea here is that this part, this gray section, the gray section here is where the cover will be folded inside for gumming and the rest of the thing. So, and we are almost done with our design. Let me just do something interesting here to make it very nice and beautiful. Let me do something there. I'm going to use yellow color there, but this time around my yellow color is going to be a bit darker to give it a little beauty contrast there, give it a little contrast. So now I'm going to drag this and power clip here, power clip, and I will turn it. All right, wow, it's a kind of beautification. So if that color is too much for you, you can actually reduce the color a bit. You can reduce that color a bit. Okay, wow, and we are almost there. So this is how to design a packaging box. This is how to design a packaging box that will actually make you have something like this after folding it. Okay, after folding it, you are going to have something like this. All right. Now, the beauty of this thing is in the finishing process. So you make sure that you glue your box very well. You finish it very well. All right. So if you want me to show you how to glue this, how to put this together and finish it very well, let me know in the comment section. And if you want me to show you how to design this with Canva, let me know in the comment section also. If you have any other question, let me know in the comment section. If you have watched this video to this point, it means you are in love with my video. Do well to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on bell notification so that you won't miss any of my next upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.